How to fix Facebook Live not working. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. If you're also having this issue, the first thing that you can immediately check is try to check if your internet connection is stable or not. If you're currently using a Wi-Fi network, you can also try switching to your cellular data. Now, if this is not the case with you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the app cache of Facebook. Tap and hold the app and head over to icon. Once you're inside of this settings page, just tap on the storage option, tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to your iPhone settings and then offload your application. Once you complete these steps, try to see if the live is now working. If it is still not, what you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs that may be causing the issue will be now fixed. What you can also do is try to restart your phone just in case your phone is currently glitching. So once you try out these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the Facebook Live not working issue. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.